Hi everyone, today's topic is Cauchy's homogeneous linear equation. So how to solve these type of differential equations? Before we are going to discuss this one, let us discuss an equation of the form x power n d power n into y by dx power n plus k1 x power n minus 1 into d power n minus 1 into y by dx power n minus 1 plus and so on kn into y is equal to x, which is called Cauchy's homogeneous linear equation. Here capital X is a function of x. These type of differential equations solving, let us substitute x is equal to e power t, which implies t is equal to log x, and d is equal to d by dt, capital D, and x into dy by dx is equal to dy, x square into d square y by dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 into y, x cube into d cube y by dx cube is equal to d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y, and so on. So let us substitute these values in the above differential equation, then it will become a linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So we will follow the linear differential equation with constant coefficients solution. The question is x square into d square y by dx square plus 4x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e power x. Let us go for substitution. X square d square y by dx square can be converted as this one, and x into dy by dx can be converted as this one, 2y as it is. E power x can be converted as x is replaced by e power t. So let us see solution. The given differential equation is x square d square y by dx square plus 4x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e power x. It can be converted as using these substitutions, which is equal to d into d minus 1 plus 4 into x into dy by dx is dy plus 2y as it is, and e power x can be converted as e power t, because x is equal to e power t, which implies, simplify this one, d square y minus dy plus 4 dy plus 2y is equal to e power t, and the final one is dy minus dy plus 4 dy, this is equal to d square y plus 3 dy plus 3 dy plus 2y is equal to e power t, and symbolic form of this one is d square plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to e power t, which is linear differential equation with constant coefficient, which is in the form of f of d into y is equal to some q of t. Now we are going to solve this question. What is we require? Complementary function. How to find the complementary function? For we getting complementary function, let us take the auxiliary equation of this equation, that is the auxiliary equation is f of d is equal to 0. That means d square plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. So for solving this equation, we will get the two roots, that is d plus 1 into d plus 2. Otherwise you can follow any method. So the roots are d is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. These roots are real and not repeated, so that the complementary function can be written as CF is equal to C1 e power minus x plus C2 e power minus 2x. This is the complementary function. So actually we are taken in terms of t, so that we can replace e power t, e power minus 2t. Sorry, here C1 e power minus t plus C2 e power minus 2, because here d is d by dt. Then you can simplify this one in terms of x. Actually the question is in terms of x, but we are written in terms of t, so that we can replace t by x. So that what is actually x is equal to e power t, and e power minus t is equal to x power minus, which implies e power minus t is equal to x power minus 1, and e power minus 2t is equal to x power minus 2. Let us replace this one. Therefore the complementary function is C1 x power minus 1 plus C2 x power minus 2. So this is the complementary function for this question. Now we are going to find the particular integral, because complementary function plus particular integral is the general solution of the given differential equation. So the particular integral, the general formula is 1 by f of d into some q of x or capital X. Let us replace d square plus 3d plus 2 into q of x is e power t. So it can be written as 1 by d plus 1 into d plus 2 e power t. Also we have taken partial fractions, 1 by d plus 1 minus 1 by d plus 2 e power t. Again it will come. You can modify this one, it will come. So let us take as a two parts pi1 1 by d plus 1 e power t. This is part 1, and part 2 is 1 by d plus 2 into e power t. The problem is here there is no formula for this one, direct formula, so that we can take some modification, 1 by d plus 1 as it is. So I can imagine 1 e power minus t into e power t. 1 can be written as e power 0. So e power 0 can be written as e power t into e power t. So again it will come same one. So this is type number 4. So type number 4 means we can write e power minus t here, which is e power t into e power t by, what is the replacement? Type number 4. If you have any doubt, please see the previous lectures. Type number 4 I already given. D is replaced by d plus a. Here a is nothing but minus 1. That means d minus 1 plus 1. This is the replacement. Then plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. It will become e power minus t here, 1 by d into e power t. Then simplify this one, e power minus t as it is, Again 1 by d is nothing but integral. So integration e power t, e power t. For solving this one, I can use e power minus t as it is. I can write for our convenience e power t as it is, and differentiation of e power t is e power t. So that I can write here e power t can be written as differentiation of e power t. So let us substitute e power minus t as it is. E power t. E power t can be written as x. Differentiation of e power t is nothing but dx. So it can be converted as direct integral. So e power integral e power x dx is e power x, which is equal to e power minus t e power x. That's it. And also we can write the answer in terms of x, so that e power minus t already I have given x power minus 1. So this is x power minus 1 into e power x. This is PI1. Now we are going to find PI2. This is PI1, this is PI2. 1 by d plus 2 into e power t. So again we have to take some substitution. I can imagine 1 is e power 0. E power 0 can be written as e power minus 2t into e power 2t. 1 by d plus 2 into e power minus 2t into e power 2t into e power t as it is. I can imagine this one without disturbing the mathematical rules. So again I am applying the type number 4. I can write e power minus 2 here, e power 2t into e power t by what is the replacement here? D is replaced by d minus 2 plus 2 as it is. D is replaced by d minus 2. Now plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. It will become 1 by e power minus 2t as it is into 1 by d into e power 2t e power t. Again it is in the form of integration, so that for our convenience without disturbing the mathematical rules, it can be written as integral e power t as it is. I don't want to change this one. E power 2t can be written as e power t into e power t. And also e power minus 2t as it is, integral e power t as it is, e power t as it is. This e power t can be written as differentiation of e power t. Differentiation of e power t. Same rule, which is equal to e power minus 2t integral. I want to change this one in terms of x. E power t can be written as e power x, this one, and e power t can be written as x. Differentiation of e power t dx. You can use the product rule. E power minus 2t can be written as x power minus 2. X power minus 2 into, I can use the product rule, uv, x into e power x minus e power x into 1. This is the product rule. This is PI2. So after getting the pi1 and pi2, this is pi2. Therefore the general solution y is equal to Cf plus Pi